Hi everyone, I have a new product from SoundBot today. It is the SB572. Let's get right into it and do an unboxing.
Okay, let's open up SB572 and see what we're working with. Opening it straight out of the box, we have the device itself, SB572, coated in plastic right here. Let's go ahead and take that off. Boom, there we go. Let's go ahead and put that to the side for now and see what else we got. Oh, we got some cords, looks like there's two, and the manual. Let's open up the cord bag and see what we're working with. This is the 3.5mm jack, in case you don't want to use Bluetooth. And we have the micro USB charging cable right here. SoundBot recommends we plug it into an outlet for 5 hours before using to get a complete charge. The red indicates it's charging. Alright, now we're back, it's fully charged. Let's go over the buttons. This is the power button. This is the pause play button. This is the decrease volume, previous track, increase volume, and next track. Let's hold the power button down for about 3 seconds to get it started. Once it is turned on, you'll hear a low turn beep, just like that. Once that is on, we can go ahead and look directly in our Bluetooth section. We're going to wait for SB572 to pop up. There it is. Let's go ahead and click that and wait a second for it to connect. You get a confirmation sound. And there we go. It is connected. Here we go. The buttons work just like any other speaker. Go ahead and tap it once to increase the volume and decrease the volume, or double tap it to change the next track. To answer a call, go ahead and press the pause play button. And to end a call, hold it down for about 3 seconds. Redial number, double tap it quickly. If Bluetooth is not an option where you are, go ahead and go to the back and plug in the 3.5mm aux cord to the back of SB572, and then plug the other end into your mobile device. And just like that, you can go ahead and stream music. The crystal clear high note, the mid-range, and dynamic deep bass all contribute to the greatness of this. Be sure to check us out at www.soundbot.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.